Ever wondered about the hidden genius behind the things you use every single day? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the ordinary to reveal the extraordinary science that makes your world work. Stay with me, because the genius behind your everyday is about to blow your mind. Fact 10. The humble ballpoint pen. This seemingly simple writing tool is a marvel of physics and chemistry. Inside, a tiny ball bearing at the tip rotates freely, picking up viscous oil-based ink from a reservoir and transferring it onto paper. The ink is a non-Newtonian fluid, meaning its viscosity changes under stress. It flows easily when the ball rolls, but thickens instantly when at rest, preventing leaks and smudges. It's a perfect balance of surface tension, gravity, and material science, delivering millions of words with precision. Fact 9. Non-stick pans. The magic here is polytetrafluoroethylene, better known as Teflon. This polymer is incredibly slippery because its molecules are tightly packed and non-polar, meaning they don't attract other molecules easily. This creates an extremely low coefficient of friction, preventing food from bonding to the surface. Essentially, the atoms in Teflon are so uninterested in other substances that nothing wants to stick, allowing your omelets to glide effortlessly. Fact 8. Post-it notes. The secret to their repositionable stickiness lies in microscopic, pressure-sensitive adhesive microspheres. Developed by accident by Spencer Silver at 3M, these tiny spheres have just enough tack to hold a note firmly to a surface, but are weak enough to detach cleanly without leaving residue or damaging what they were stuck to. It's a brilliant failed, super strong adhesive that became one of the most useful office supplies ever. Fact 7. Microwave ovens. Microwaves don't heat food from the inside out. Instead, they generate electromagnetic waves, typically at 2.45 gigahertz, that cause water molecules within your food to vibrate rapidly. This molecular friction generates heat throughout the food simultaneously. Foods without water, like dry paper or oil, won't heat up in a microwave. It's a precision instrument designed to agitate H2O molecules, not just make things hot. Fact 6. Safety glass, tempered glass. Unlike regular glass that shatters into dangerous sharp shards, tempered glass is designed to break into small, relatively harmless, pebble-like pieces. It's manufactured by rapidly cooling heated glass, creating compressive stress on the outer surfaces and tensile stress in the core. When broken, this stored energy releases instantly, causing it to crumble safely. It's why your car windows and shower doors protect you from serious injury. If you thought these everyday items were simple, wait until you discover the hidden physics behind your zippers, the incredible chemistry in a match, and the cosmic principles that guide your smartphone. You're about to see your world in a whole new light. Fact 5. Zippers. A zipper is a deceptively simple marvel of mechanical engineering. It consists of 2 rows of interlocking teeth, a slider, and a pull tab. The slider, with its Y-shaped channel, forces the teeth together or pulls them apart. Each tooth acts as a tiny hook and eye, creating a secure, flexible seal with surprising strength. It's an elegant solution to quickly connect and disconnect fabrics, found on everything from jackets to luggage. Fact 4. Matches. Igniting a match is a tiny, controlled chemical explosion. The match head contains a mixture of chemicals like potassium chlorate and sulfur. When struck against a rough surface, the friction generates enough heat to ignite a small amount of red phosphorus found on the striking surface or within the match head itself, for strike anywhere. Types. This ignites the potassium chlorate, which releases oxygen, and that oxygen then ignites the sulfur and wood, creating a steady flame. Fact 3. Refrigerators. Refrigerators don't make cold, they move heat. They use a refrigerant liquid that absorbs heat from inside the fridge as it evaporates into a gas, cooling the interior. This gas then travels to coils on the outside, where a compressor puts it under pressure, causing it to condense back into a liquid and release the absorbed heat into the room. It's a continuous cycle of phase changes, constantly battling ambient heat to keep your food fresh. Fact 2. GPS, Global Positioning System. How does your phone know your exact location? It's a combination of satellite signals, precise timing, and even Einstein's theory of relativity. GPS receivers listen for signals from at least 4 satellites, each containing timing information. By calculating the minuscule time difference it takes for these signals to arrive, your receiver determines its distance from each satellite. Triangulating these distances reveals your precise position, Crucially, because the satellites orbit at high speeds and experience weaker gravity, their clocks run slightly differently from ours. Relativity corrections are essential for your GPS to be accurate. Fact 1. The induction cooktop. No flame, no glowing coils, yet your pot boils in seconds. Induction cooktops use electromagnetism. Underneath the ceramic surface, copper coils generate an oscillating magnetic field when electricity passes through them. When a ferromagnetic pot, like cast iron or stainless steel, is placed on top, this magnetic field induces eddy currents directly within the pot itself. These currents cause the pot's inherent resistance to generate heat, cooking your food efficiently and precisely while the cooktop surface remains cool. It's pure electromagnetic genius for your kitchen. Isn't it incredible how much science is packed into the items we take for granted every day? From the simple click of a pen to the mind-bending physics of GPS, our world is a symphony of scientific wonders. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love uncovering the hidden truths of our world, make sure to subscribe to 10 mind-blowing facts a day for more fascinating insights. Thanks for watching.